Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you for showing so much of love to my page on Instagram Healing Neutrophil and to my YouTube channel. It's been a week or two when I've started my YouTube channel and still you guys supported me a lot, commented so nicely on it, enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. When you really enjoy my video and you really show support, it just motivates me to work harder and create amazing content for you guys and help you guys in each and every way as possible. So thank you so much. So now, as you have already seen the thumbnail, what all I am talking today. So today I'll be talking about my UG college where I did my undergraduation from, and I was getting so many queries regarding this, whether they should take admission or not for UG, for PG, how is the hospital, how is the college. So I thought today I'll bust this confusion and let's quickly head into the video. So yeah, I did my undergraduation from JSS Medical College, which is located in the heritage city of Mysore. It's one of the most prestigious college of South India and it's one of the best hospital in South India, and I was very privileged to be the alumni and of this college and to be graduated from. I got a chance to take admission there and study. So I'm really privileged for that, and our hospital was 1800 bedded multi-speciality hospital, and we have all the super speciality in it like plastic surgery, onco surgery, and this pediatric surgery and neurosurgery. Neurosurgery is one of the best in our hospital, and you could learn everything in that. And also our hospital was really economical, like they used to charge just 50 rupees for the consultation. So you will see enormous amount of patient load in each and every department, and you will witness each and every case. When I talk about medicine and OBG, we have huge amount of patient load. Whatever we used to study in our books and whatever we used to clinical cases हम लेते थे, we used to witness it bedside, like thyroid cases in OBG, pre-eclampsia, eclampsia, each and every cases. Trust me, we would able to witness labor. We also got chance to assist during labor posting. We had labor postings in our internship, and also in final year also they gave us chance to assist it. So yeah, that was really nice. When also talking about medicine, we have huge amount of patient load there also. Bedside patients, we used to take history, and each and every cases we used to witness. So yeah, that was medicine and OBG. When I talk about surgery and ortho, that was moderate patient load, but trust me guys, that was huge enough to learn. We like lap cole and appendicectomy, hydrocele on the daily basis. We used to do that, and even we got a chance to assist during those. So finally people used to get chance to assist, trust me, and interns also used to get a chance. So you can imagine how much a PG will get a chance. So yeah, also in ortho also they gave us chance to assist, like arthrodesis, plating, everything. So it all depends on your dedication, and they'll give you chance even in final year. Yes, so that was really nice in our college. When I talk about library, we have really nice library, and we have all the books available in our library, and we have digital library where you can do your thesis work, your paperwork, and nicely you can come to the library and sit. If you have any disturbances in your hostel, you can come anytime to the hostel, to the library, and study yourself. So that was all about library. We have every book there. When talking about hostel, we have 4 blocks, A, B, C and D blocks. So A, B, C blocks were little old. A, B, C block, I am talking about girls hostel. I don't know much about boys hostel. And D block was newly constructed one. It has all the facilities, and sari facilities thing, and gym facility was there. But it doesn't mean that ABC people can't go and assess there. They can anytime go and assess. It's just that it was located there. So yeah, food was almost same in every block. So yeah. In our hospital, I forgot to tell you about ICUs. We have really nice ICUs with enormous patient load and very nicely constructed ICUs. When I was doing my internship, I had plastic surgery postings during my internship, and when I was doing that, then only I got to know that we have something called burn ICU. Yes, we have something called burn ICU, and it was such a huge hospital that I used to get lost. I spent a good 5 years in my hospital and still I used to get lost. So yeah, you can imagine how big the hospital is, and we have all the ICUs very nicely constructed. You know, the teachers are really good. They will, you know, teach you really, really nicely, and you know, even if you ask them 5 times, you can go anytime, and they'll very nicely, you know, tell you things, and you know, clear your doubts. And you know, attendance is compulsory. You need 75% attendance to sit in the exam, and they are really, really strict when it comes to attendance. So yeah, you need to maintain 75% attendance in UG, and our teachers are really highly qualified. They are graduated from AIMS, they are graduated from JIPMER. So yeah, that was all about our faculty. Really nice faculty. They teaches you very nicely, very, you know, down to earth. And yes, when I talk about the distance, okay, from hostel to hospital, we have about 15 to 20, it will take about 15 to 20 minutes to reach to our hospital, but it doesn't even matter because we have free transportation available 24/7, and 24/7 buses go from here to there, so that's not an issue. But for PGs and internship, and even for some final year people, we have a separate hostel that is situated beside the hospital, so that's not an issue for final year and PGs also. For first, second and third year, you need to travel 15 to 20 minutes, but free transportation is available. Talking about sports, we have all the sports like volleyball, basketball, every playground we have, and also we have sports event that occur every year, so you can participate and win prizes. So yes, you are someone who loves sports, you will really enjoy in our hostel. So that was all about it. Also, those who, you know, graduated from our college, they also are doing their PGs in AIMS and JIPMER also. So we have great PG results also, you know, from our college. So also talking about the city, Mysore. Mysore is so nice city, extremely nice weather, and you would really enjoy. It is located at the center of the city, and you will really enjoy your time here. And I really enjoyed being in Mysore, and I really miss it. You know, it's really nice and heritage city, and we have everything, so many restaurants there, so you will have a nice time there in Mysore city. So yeah, also in our hospital we have like सारे जगहों के, you know, referrals भी आते थे, like various districts, nearby districts, because it was really nice hospital. So yeah, that was all about it. Also, I'll mention the rankings and, you know, some pictures at the end of this video, so that you have you have some picture in your mind how is our hospital and what are the rankings. So if you are someone who is getting JSS Medical College and they are, you know, in a doubt to take admission or not, I would say don't even think twice if they are getting JSS Hospital. Now I've told you all about pros, but as your mentor, I should tell you about little cons also. If you are someone who is coming from North India, like they could have a little, you know, difficulty in learning the language. I was a North Indian, but trust me guys, it was not that much issue for me, because if you're really enthusiastic to learn something, like if you're really enthusiastic to learn Kannada, you can learn it. It's a really easy language. Trust me guys, within 5 to 6 months, I was able to, you know, take a bedside history. So yeah, you could manage that much. You could take a bedside history. I was having really nice friends during my posting who really taught me very nicely the Kannada language, and I was able to, you know, take history. I was able to manage it. So if you're really enthusiastic, that's not much of an issue. So yeah, second con, I would say that the fest of our college is not that great. It's not that bad also, but it's not that great also, comparing to the colleges like Manipal and all. So yeah, it was a moderate, not that huge. And third is the mess food, but mess food depends on person to person. You know, I have many North Indian friends who really like South Indian food, and I was someone who don't like South Indian food. So it depends on person to person how you like it, how you know, it depends on the taste bud of the person. So yeah, they provide you with the North Indian meals also, but you know, taste thoda sa ho jata hai, but it's okay, you can manage. But yeah, but you can't expect everything now from, you know, every college. Some cons will be there. So I won't say it's a con, but as a mentor, I'm telling you so that you have an idea. So that was all about my UG college, JSS Medical College, and I think it's the best decision if you are getting JSS Medical College. Just take admission there, and trust me guys, you will enjoy the process, and you know, 10 years down the lane, you will be really happy that you chose this college. and it's really nice college, really nice, and don't even think twice, I feel. So that was all about today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's make this channel a success together. I'm planning some more videos for you guys, and go subscribe and support, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.